Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Monday. We're going to take a tour of this 28 RKQS Puma. This is a rear kitchen floor plan and it's very spacious, great for entertaining. And it actually comes in weighing at 7,253 pounds. And then the length is 34 feet 5 inches. So we're going to start with the outside first. Here at the front, you got your power tongue jack. Your dual propane tanks are just behind there, and you even have a casing to just help protect it. Diamond plating is also running at the bottom of your front cap to, again, just help protect that from gravel and other road debris. You have the updated front cap, so the nice light and bright colors. And then coming over here on our camping side, we have pass-through storage that is actually locked. So I'll show you what the other side looks like on your non-camping side. Front and rear power stabilizer jacks, as well as a power awning. And as you can see, this thing is massive. Outside speakers, the oversized grab handle here at your entrance. And then you got your solid steps. This also has extended season, so that's great for early or late season camping. Power here on the outside, freshwater connection, access to your water heater, and then back here is just some extra storage, so you can have anything in here that you want. Plus you have an LP quick connect just underneath. Spare tire. You are prepped for a rear observation camera if you would like one. That's great for getting in your parking spot or just viewing your camper when you're taking it down the road. Rear ladder to keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. And then over here on our non-camping side, you have your one slide out. Outside shower too, so this is great for just rinsing off your sandy legs, muddy shoes, maybe even giving your dogs a bath. And then here is that pass-through storage. So now let's take a look at the inside. All right, so coming into the main portion of the camper, like I said, this is so spacious. You have all of this room here in the center for guests, your kids, your pets running around. It's just a lot of open space, and I love it. Right next to your main entrance, you have your sleeper sofa. So this will fold out into a sleeping space for up to 2 guests very comfortably. Nice wall decal that does come with the camper. And then you have a couple cabinets up above. Kind of diagonal from there is your theater reclining seats, very comfortable, built-in cup holders, and you actually can remove that middle armrest if you would like. More cabinets up above. Perfect view from your entertainment center. Electric fireplace down below, and it's actually 32 inches. So you can kick this on and have the heat going or just have the pretty lights going as well. Cabinet storage on either side. And then your Bluetooth speaker system is just above there to access those outside speakers, inside speakers, radio, all of that fun stuff. A huge amount of countertop space for your decorations and whatnot. You even have a couple outlets on either side. Of course, a huge window as well. And then you have your bracket for your TV plus some additional storage on either side. Right next to your theater seats is your booth dinette. Love the booth dinettes. They're very comfortable. You even have some storage underneath the seated area on both sides. Plus, this also folds down into a sleeping space. So you get all of that just for having your booth dinette. The price comes out to be $32,865 for everything. And now into our gorgeous white kitchen. You have a pantry in this camper, which I know is something that a lot of people look for in a unit. So you got one. You have 4 shelves. You can put your dog bowls in here, dog food, canned goods, cleaning supplies, whatever you want. And then you have your stainless steel refrigerator. Kind of an L shape for your cabinets. Love the glass on the top too. Matte black hardware, which is my favorite. And then you have all of this countertop space for food prep, power on the back for small appliances, stainless steel open mount sink with 2 roll-up covers. So you can use this for dishes when they're ready to dry, just some extra countertop space, whatever. Spray nozzle, more storage down below. Kind of a spice rack back here. Maybe you can put some knickknacks or plants if you're a plant person. 3 burner top stove with this glass cover. And then your stainless steel oven. And now moving on, your control panel is not too far from your door, so that's where you can access pretty much everything, slide out awning, interior lights, all of that type of stuff. And then behind this door is our bathroom. Foot flush toilet here to the right. And above there, you have some storage space for your towels, and it goes back pretty far. Nice sit-down shower, great for relaxing or shaving your legs. 3 paneled sliding glass door, and it has this teal seafoam green color. Skylight too, and so that just adds some natural light here in your bathroom. And then, of course, your vent fan. Across from your toilet is your sink. A nice mimicked concrete color for your countertops, and they actually have the same thing going on in the main portion of your camper. So it's really pretty. Toothbrush holder, soap holder, storage below. And then you got some behind your medicine cabinet. And finally, coming into our master bedroom, queen size bed, and the mattress will lift up for some extra storage underneath. Pretty long end tables are on both sides. Each one has power, but the person here on the right has a USB port to charge their phone too. So you can pick and choose who gets which side. Hidden cubby space is underneath, so you can have some extra personal belongings in there, or just throw away your laptop, keep it nice and clean looking. Plus you have the really tall shelves just above there. And then above each is your closet, locker, wardrobe space, plus a couple cabinets in between. And then at the foot of your bed, there tucked away in the corner, is a spot for a TV, so you can have a bracket to hang it up if you would like. And there you have it, the Puma 28 RKQS. If you have any sort of questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.